Manual, check the accessories. Take out the door panel, install the door handle on the door panel. Then install door stopper pads at both ends on the back of the door panel. Then insert metal clips on both sides of the door panel. Take out the small grid door panel screws. Pass through the square washer and install the door handle. Similarly, insert metal clips on both sides of the door panel. Then take out the door stopper, install it into the pre-drilled hole on the lower door panel. Install door stoppers on lower, upper panels, top small grid, and shelf. After aligning the holes of the lower door panel and side panel, align screw grooves on side frame and tighten screws. Next, take out the shelf with inner grooves, install it on the side frame. Take out the upper door panel with the door stopper facing down, install it on the side frame. Next, take out the top panel. Similarly, door stopper facing down, install it on the frame. Take out the small grid shelf. Similarly, door stopper facing down, install it on the frame. Take out the vertical partition, install it on the small grid shelf. Next, take out the vertical partition screws, install the vertical partition. Take out the foot support and install on the lower door panel. Install it into the lowest hole. Then, take out the shelf clip, install it on the lower door panel. Also install screws on top. Flip the shelf. Insert the back panel along the groove. Insert the small back panel on top. The back panel must snap into the side frame groove. Align the side frame groove. After snapping it into the back panel, tighten the screws on the side frame. Straighten the shelf. First, remove the front screws on the top shelf door, for easier door installation. Install the assembled door onto the shelf. Lift the top shelf board, snap the door into the pre-drilled holes. Then install the remaining doors. Loosen the screws on the side, for easier small door installation. Install the small door panel onto the shelf. After installation, retighten the screws. Then reinstall the removed screws. After tightening the screws, the installation is complete.